Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to this channel, be it you are new to this channel and you've not subscribed, make sure you do also click on that subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also follow our Telegram channel so you don't miss out on any updates. You will find a link to the Telegram in the comment section. So, let's see what we will be expecting on our Swiss franc JPY. So once again, guys, click on that subscribe button, like this video, share, and make your comments. Let's start with our trade. We will see that this Swiss franc JPY is clearly on an uptrend move. We are very much strong to the upside. Market is definitely giving us a bullish move to the upside, right? Now take a look at this movement here. This is the high. Here comes the higher low. Market eventually pushed up and gave us a new higher high, thereby taking out this previous high. Markets eventually pushed up, pull back again, and higher low. Market pushed up again, gave us a new higher high, and then here comes an higher low. Markets eventually push up to give us a new higher high. Here comes to be our higher low. So our next movement on Swiss franc JPY should be a bullish move that will eventually give us a new higher high. So we should be anticipating for a bullish move that will eventually pick out this previous high, thereby forming a new higher high on Swiss franc JPY. Right? So we are still on a bullish move on Swiss franc JPY. So we are still anticipating for that bullish move to push up to take out this previous high. So if you're a swing trader, it's still a good opportunity and it's still a good time for you to open on the buy. But when you take a look at this movement, which is our support level, very much clear on our forward time frame. So we are this rejection here, which is our support. We are this rejection here, and here comes our rejection. Now, market is at a crucial level. This is a crucial level. Reason is that this crucial level is most likely going to be a rejection level, which is a resistance that would most likely going to make price to drop. So be very, very careful around this level. We are at a crucial level. Personally, I would advise you not to take any trade from this level. That is what I would advise. But if in case you want to take that trade, personally, I will also advise you. I will also say you should sell. Would markets eventually break up and push up further up? Absolutely yes. Swiss franc JPY is most likely, can most likely break above it and continue to push up, which is very, very possible. But what market is doing here, as we can see, we had this rejection. Then markets gave us a rejection here. Then markets gave us a rejection. Then markets came here and gave us a rejection. Now market is at this level. So market is most likely going to give us a rejection at this level, thereby making it to fall. So be very, very careful at this level as market is most likely going to fall. Above all, watch out for what market will be doing next. So if there's going to be any changes to this movement, I will let you guys to know and I will give you guys the updates. All you just have to do is subscribe, click on that bell notification and follow our Telegram so you will not miss out on any updates.